What's up guys, my name is Sarv and today is the first official day Samsung has started shipping their S24 Ultras. So right here I have my S24 Ultra. There are various different colors of this phone. There's titanium gray, titanium black, titanium yellow, and titanium violet. There are three exclusive colors that you can only get in the Samsung website, and there are titanium orange, titanium green, and finally titanium blue. I have the titanium violet over here. The memory of this phone that I got from the website has 512 gigs of memory and 12 gigs of RAM. So, let's start unboxing this thing, baby. So, my favorite part, this thing. It's really like the iPhone box, but let's see if it's as good as the iPhone box. Okay. Boom. Let's remove these tabs. We got the beauty. The S24 Ultra Violet. So, there's a tab here. Easy peasy. Remove it. Ding. Now, don't forget, over here are a few things that you get in the box. Over here is a SIM extractor and a instruction manual. And finally, the USB-C cable. It might be just a normal cable, but when iPhone bought a different one, people were crazy. So let's remove these things and start playing around with this. Now let's remove this. I'm going to do this close up to put a bit of the ASMR. Wow. Over here, if you're a person who likes a smooth screen, doesn't want to put a cover, this screen has a Gorilla Glass armor, which means it has 2 layers of Gorilla Glass. The previous models, like the S23 Ultra, had a Gorilla Glass Vector 2. This one is the big thing. Samsung didn't show this in the real video, but the reflection. If I'm playing games outside and there's so much light, this thing doesn't reflect light. If you're a darkness person who likes to put dark mode on your phone, it's really cool, and I like to put it on. But outside, a lot of light starts reflecting. It's so annoying. But here, it doesn't. Look, lights are on. Nothing. It's amazing. So let's switch on this bad boy. But before we do that, you can see that titanium finish. I love this color because you can see the thickness between the camera and the titanium area over here. It looks so good. The sides. Look at that titanium finish. You don't even need the titanium gray color. You just got it over here at the side. Over here, you can see a USB-C port, the one and only S Pen, microphone, and the place you put the SIM. And on the top, you have 2 microphones. Now, I'm not done yet, if you think I'm done. You can see the edges. These edges make it so much easier for the S Pen. If you want to draw it, it looks like a piece of paper. Or even anything that just a normal rectangle. Geometry. This thing. You can see these corners. They're not the curved ones as the previous models like the S22 and the S23. These are sharp. Sharp. So now, let's open this bad boy up. So you just press it like a normal phone. Come on. I'm waiting. You know I'm impatient. Samsung Galaxy, powered by Kanox. Alright, the welcome screen. I just did all the things that it asked me to do of this phone. No fake detected, but whatever. Yeah, so let's talk about the features. Starting off, I'm not gonna let you guys see my password, you might hack it. Alright, starting off with the brightness. Brightness can go up to 2600 nits or 2600 nits. Now, the thing all people want when they get a phone, cameras. So, starting off, we got the 10 megapixel camera over here. It's pretty small, so you guys might not see. Now, we got a 50 megapixel camera over here, right diagonal to it. Now, above the 50 megapixel camera, we got a 200 megapixel camera. It's crazy, daisy. Now, above that one is a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Now, talking about the zoom, this phone has a 100x zoom. So let's go to the camera app. Photo, start by 0.6. It got a 0.6. Then it got a 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 30, and a 100x zoom. Now, talking about gaming, my favorite. This phone has a Snapdragon 3rd generation chip for gamers. Yeah, wonderful movie. Sorry, Dad. Now, not much else to talk about apart from those 3, 4, 5, whatever. But yes, man. Look how wonderful this looks like. It doesn't look like the plain old pen it looked like previous times, but yeah, it looks wonderful. I really like it. It's a bit harder. You gotta push it in more because of that flat area. So press it in and take it out. Now, what else? The AI. I know. You gotta keep it dramatic, guys. If I go around just on Chrome, alright, I go to Chrome. Who's a good actor? Here, Chris Hemsworth. Or no, Drake. Let's talk about Drake. Not Rake, Drake. Yeah, Drake. Now, I just put alright. Drake got pretty neat shoes over here. Right here. Pretty good shoes. And I wanted, for example, just take out the S Pen. Now, I'm pretty sure you press this one. Don't allow. But you just click this, and I'm pretty sure you just now I know how to do it. It took me a second. I've never done this before, but yeah. The home button, you just hold on to it. Now, it tells you a few things to do. Just press got it. Now, over here, you can just circle the part of the image. And using AI, I just found out what shoes Drake wears. I can just go and buy them. I'll become the next Drake, guys. Too good. Yep. So that's it in this video. I love this phone. I love Android. Sorry, Apple. But yeah, that's it in this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to see all the content. So, till next time. Peace.